welcome to my channel. My name is Shivani Dobriyal, and today I'm gonna show you my, what do you call it, lipstick collections and all my favorite lipstick, a kind of lipstick haul. But before that, I would like to give you a small and a quick introduction about myself, like what I do, where I belong from, and why I'm making this video, and etc. So, as you can see, my name is Shivani Dobriyal, which I've earlier mentioned. I'm an actor by profession. I'm born and brought up in Mumbai. And since long, my parents, my family, and friends, they have been insisting me on making, YouTube videos and content creation. For long, I was avoiding it because, I'm not that confident enough to make such videos and all. I was like, मम्मी ये तो नहीं हो सकता मुझसे. I'm like, ये तो मैं नहीं कर सकती. But then I gathered courage and I was like, let's just make some video and see how it goes. So I made my first video of Get Ready with Me, and I posted also on YouTube. And I got like something 10K views in 4 5 days. So then I was like, I got really motivated. I'm like, let's just make a second video. And then I decided to make a video. I'm making a video on lipstick. So all the lip shades and everything which I'm gonna show today is basically quite affordable. Here and there, some of the lipstick shades are on high end, but mostly are those shades which would look beautiful on different skin tones. Some of them might look only good on light shade, but some of them would really look good on medium skin tone also. So let's get started. Okay. So the first shade I would like to show you all girls out there is this Chanel lip shade. Okay, so it's one of the best, long lasting lipstick and one of the most beautiful pink shade, which I believe will look good even on medium skin tone. So yeah, let me show you how is this. Oh, I'm so sorry. Hi, let me show you. So this is the applicator, girls, and this is the liquid lipstick. And I would like to swatch it here. You can see the shade, which is a very beautiful kind of pink, and I'm also wearing it. So you can see how it looks. And it will look good on medium skin tone also. Yeah. It's a bit on higher end. The cost is, between 4 to 5,000. But if you really want to invest in a very good lipstick, a high-end brand, so I would definitely suggest this shade. And the shade name is 172 Light Mauve. So yeah, one of my favorite shade and quite long lasting. Like if you wear it, it's like the 24 hours ka coverage it has. So yeah, one of my favorite shades. Then I would say the second most favorite is, okay. So this is the second MAC ka shade. It's one of the most popular shade you would see every girl might know. It's Velvet Teddy, and it's again 2000 rupees ka lipstick, but it's worth the price. I show you. This is it. Now I just put it on my hand. Can you see? Isn't it good? Yeah. So this is the second shade again. With MAC, the thing is that the coverage and the long-lasting formula is a little bit less compared to the Chanel ones. Chanel ones is definitely by hands down has a lot more long-lasting and stays like for 24 hours. With MAC, after couple of hours, like 3 4 hours, it starts fading. But it's really beautiful and a very amazing shade. Also, guys, this is Piku. Okay, so please don't judge me for it. So this was gifted me from my very good friend, and I have this habit of keeping names to non-living things so that a little bit more, it gives them life. So I have this habit of keeping names to non-living things so that, you know, it brings life to them. So yes, coming back to the lipstick haul. So the second one was this. And now this is one more, another shade, which is from L'Oreal, as you can see. Okay, this is a very beautiful, not exactly pink pink. It has some pink tones, but it also it's a little bit deep pink. Did I show you? Yeah. And this shade would look good on even medium skin tone people. So it's L'Oreal shade 105 breakfast in bed. And you won't believe I ordered this through Swiggy. And yeah, I just impulsively I wanted to buy something. I saw it on Swiggy and just ordered it, and it turned out to be gold. So yeah, breakfast in bed, L'Oreal. And now I would show you one of the most underrated shades and even most underrated brand when it comes to lipstick, which is okay, guys. The thing which is Body Shop. So Body Shop has this shade called Show Love. So Body Shop has this shade called Show Love, which is a very poppy pink kind of shade. Can you see? Again, it will go really, really good with all medium skin tones. And why I call it underrated because nobody is talking about it. It is 1,500 ish cost. It's very cost effective, and also it's really, really beautiful. Like you can literally see it, and it's like this poppy pink, which will go on, you know, every skin tone. So yes, my third favorite in the pink family is this, which is Show Love Body Shop. Now comes my another favorite lipstick, which is a very, very light color, very nude color. I would like to show it's again from MAC, and that is this shade, which is called Yash. Again, this shade will not go well with medium skin tone girlies because, as you know, it's very light and very nude. I can just show you. So you can see Yash. And if medium skin tone people want to apply this lipstick, they can pair it with a lip liner. I can suggest a lip liner also. I have this lip liner from MAC. MAC Soul lip liner will go really, really well with this Yes MAC lipstick. But yeah, this is a very neutral kind of a shade which I really like. I wear it on everyday basis. So yeah, this is my third favorite shade. After that, okay, this lipstick of MAC, which is Ruby Woo. I'm not much of a red family lipstick, or I hardly have red lipstick. This is the only red lipstick I have. And the story behind this red lipstick is this was suggested to me by my roommate. And you should, go and try Macca Ruby Woo. So, and let me swatch it. Can you see? It's not like Chatakwala red, which you see people wearing. It's a very beautiful red shade. So, I highly recommend this. It's Ruby Woo from MAC. Again, the pricing is between 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. I got the bigger one for 2,000 something. You get the smaller one also in this, which is 1,000 something something. So yeah, it's very affordable, very nice, and I like it. Now comes now comes the other shade, which I really like is Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this shade is Lip Velvet Kiss. I think Velvet Kiss is this shade. So the thing with this brand is that the liquid formation is quite dry. Like It's a beautiful color. Okay, let me swatch it here. It's a very beautiful pink nudish color. You can see it here, but it's quite dry on lips. Like if you want, I can apply it also. The shade is very beautiful. It looks pretty. Again, it won't go well with medium skin tone people. But then, if you can pair it with a very good lip liner, it can go really nice. But if I have to be very honest, this shade would go really well with light skin tone people. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Again, I like this shade, but the only problem with this shade is that the formulation is bit dry. But all in all, it's a very beautiful shade. Lip Kiss Velvet, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yeah. Have another shade which is a little bit nudish again, and that is 65 Seductress of Maybelline. I sh- Let me just show you the shade. Oh, it's all pink. I'll just pull it up. You can see this? How beautiful the shade is. Yeah, so this shade again will go well with medium skin tone people and fair skin tone people, and it is called 65 Seductress Maybelline. Yeah. Yes, and I think pretty much I'm done with some of my favorite lip shades. So, well, this was my some of my favorite lipstick and lip shades which I wear on daily basis. So I would also put all of that lip shades description with name and what shade it is down below the video, so that you girls, if you really like any of them, you can go and buy in Nykaa, Myntra. It's easily available in any store also. So yes, and this is all. It's done for the video, and have a nice day, and do like, share, subscribe my channel if you really liked what I share. Bye.